What is up, guys? Really shooting here, and I got a review on the Javelin M4. Got a broken. Anyway, this here is the blowback and the Javelin M4, and got the name right there. And things I like about this gun is Picatinny rail. So the rail is like holds just about every single thing you can use on here. It's got, this is an adjustable. This does not come with the gun though. It comes with a piece just right here. But I prefer the rails a lot more. So I can walk like this. If I have something to hold there, I can like that. Yeah, it's a good gun. I mean, whenever you shoot it, that'll pop open eventually. It should pop open first try once you shoot it. The problems we've had with this is in here, the blowback system gets stuck like that, and when you go for that, if it's back while you do that, it can get stuck and stay there and be all loose. But it's been fixed, so ever since it's been fixed, I guess there hasn't been a problem yet so far. And things you can fit on this: Picatinny rail, add a grip, screw on, got a grip, aim, just like that. Another thing is True Glow. It's got a very bright red sight, and you can have tinted, like these off, and have non-tinted, which is pretty cool. Adjustable lights to see what light you want it on. So, say is this even working? I don't even know. Anyway, we're gonna show the rate of fire with this gun and some other stuff. So, yeah, here we go. Alright, so we're going to shoot at this chair here and see how it does. Pretty good. Go again. So as you see, they're very high rate of fire. It's a good gun. I like it a lot. And that's the Javelin M4.